Hello everybody, Ben here, and today I'm going to be reviewing this, a Dapol N gauge B set twin pack of coaches in the BR Crimson, as you can see. I bought this I think maybe 2, maybe 3 or maybe 1 years ago, I can't exactly remember. It's a few years ago now, from Hatton's I think it was for £25. Now they're available for £25.50, so not too much of a price difference. And when you compare that to some sort of other coach prices like a Mark 1 or like the Mark 3's at £22, it's pretty good value for £25.50 for 2 coaches, especially when they look pretty nice, I would say. The foam and the rest of the packaging makes the model safe and secure, and it makes it sort of pretty inexcusable to have any sort of damage on it, so if it does, that's probably not too good. I'll point out any differences that I can see between the 2 coaches. The coach roofs have these lines going across it. I don't know exactly what they're called. There's all these pointy things. I also don't know what they're called. But I think they're to do with the lights in the coach roof in real life. But however, because of this though, the coaches sadly don't have the Dapol coach light bars, unlike this Mark 1 coach I have here, which has pickups, unlike the B set one, which doesn't. As because of that, it can't pick up and can't fit the light bar. You can see the pickups there, but there isn't any, which makes it pretty bad, I would say, if you want light bars. However, I don't use them. The coach's bodies have nicely glazed windows and recessed windows as well, which look pretty nice. I quite like how that looks. And have a guards compartment at one end of the coach, and the other one does as well, so it's kind of a set that you don't matter which way, how the coach is marshalled and all that. So it just always has a break at each end. The coaches also have these moulded doorknobs, which are freshly painted, as you can see. And I think they look pretty nice, as well as the number 1 on some doors as well, but not on others, which I do find a bit strange. There is also quite a bit of underframe detail, such as detail on the bogies, and underframe detail as well as these line support looking things. I don't exactly know what they're called. And these battery boxes, I think is what those boxes are on the underframe as well, but I don't exactly know what they are. Maybe they're, yeah, like I said, battery boxes. And then there's also this pole thing, which I have no idea what it's for. And the only difference between the 2 coaches, however, is the number and the W, which is W, which stands for Western, and the number 6976 and the number 6975. The coaches also have metal wheels, but surprisingly no metal axles, which is a bit sort of funny. But for £25.50, I'm not really going to complain when you get that money. I think they look pretty nice behind the Dapol 14XX pannier tank, and I guess you can have other locos as well, maybe like, I don't know, if you get one of the bit older 14XXs or other locos that are due to bar, sort of smaller locomotives, because that's what these coaches are, they're due to bar. Overall, I think they look pretty nice and very free running, I think, overall on the layout. And I think it looks pretty nice. These coaches are a tiny bit lighter. One coach is a tiny bit lighter than a normal Dapol Mark 1. But I don't really think that's a problem, as a loco can pull more of them without straining its motor too much. And I personally think that the 56XX looks pretty nice behind these 2 coaches, or one if you marshal it as one. But I think overall they're pretty nice behind the majority of any GTR small tank engines. I hope you enjoyed this video by me. Please like and subscribe, and leave a comment down below with some video ideas or feedback. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.